Today we reached agreement to see the AM Robotics headquarters in Pittsburgh, where we're going to see the very awesome robotics guys this upcoming Thursday, where we hope to make an agreement where EiraCube and AM Robotics can marry in the heaven, and robotics technology can help EiraCube to achieve its highest goal, to build a lot of EiraCubes around the globe. We're very excited to meet these guys. They are really robotic building enthusiasts. We are building EiraCube shop, which is you guys pretty much follow and see how this project is evolving and growing. A lot of you may invest it. If you're not, make sure you invest some of the money and see how the investment will return. EiraCube is an awesome cryptocurrency token platform which just allows you to invest and just get the awesome return in the investment on the EiraCube. EiraCube is an e-commerce retail platform which just allows completely humanless interaction brands and customers. So brands now can trust their fully very sophisticated, very customer-centric approach, and they can engage with the customers through EiraCube. So we had a conference call with AM Robotics guys today, and these guys was a little bit skeptical about EiraCube project. And after a very short conference call with them, they became engaged, and they're excited to see us. So they invited us to their headquarters, and we spoke with CEO and Vice President of Sales, who are they think this project is very interesting to them. They would like to participate and have built our partnership between EiraCube and AM Robotics. We do see that partnership between our companies will be fruitful and bear a lot of income and return on investment for a lot of our investors.
Good morning, everybody. This is Costa Dubinin, and today I am traveling to the United States of America. I have a reason for that. There I will have a few private parties, conversations with potential partners, investors, and I hope to meet there new fantastic people like investors, like I already said, investors, partners, and other promoters. Probably I will meet there new advisors and new team members. It's my actual aim to go there. In the States, I'm going to spend an entire week. Today is Monday, and I'll land there in Chicago this afternoon, and this Wednesday I have 3 meetings. On this Thursday I have 1 meeting, and on Friday I have another fantastic meeting in Las Vegas, Nevada. Wish me the best, guys. Fingers crossed I will bring you a success. See you later. Okay, now I just landed in Iceland and just got to some restaurant in city called Keflavik, not Reykjavik, Keflavik, and just had some fantastic lobster soup and salmon steak. Now I'll head to the airport to get the next flight to finally to get to Chicago. Best wishes.
Yeah. So it's a mobile app.
Andrew, you want to walk them through the demo?
What do you mean? Just
I
chat
can
through
walk
it?
them through.
Yeah,
So basically, what
Okay.
we have set up here is there's a single aisle,
Yeah.
right? And we have all the locations of the products are known. So we We don't. Let me go back here and show you. Let's say you have two bottles like this, same product. We don't need to know where this one is, where that one is. We know generally where this SKU is kept.
Yeah.
And then we send the robot there and it looks, and then it decides, the robot decides which one to grab. So based on which one is the most, which one is the safest to grab, which one is the one that's not going to collide with anything else. Now the robot, we just have these simple marker codes that
Yeah.
are put up, and then as the robot's driving back and forth, it knows. Gary, did he go?
Yeah, I found one.
Yeah, he walked around. I don't know what he's doing.
So as the robot's driving back and forth, that's how it knows where it is.
Okay.
Which shelf it's at.
It's how it navigates.
So it navigates using these markers. Is
Yeah.
looking at, there's a vision camera here, and then it's looking at these markers and the shelving.
Okay.
And as it's driving back and forth, it's tracking all of the infrastructure, so it knows to keep a certain distance from the shelving and so forth.
Yeah. Sounds good. Pretty smart.
Yeah, it's pretty smart. The robot, this is the only robot on the market that uses a robot arm with mobility.
Yep.
It's the only robot on the market because of that has the ability to reach all the way down to the floor, which means that for your case, you would be able to maximize the volume of how much product you can get from top to bottom.
Yeah.
Which
That's
is
true.
critical because you want to get as much stuff into that space as possible to maximize your revenue, right?
That's correct.
Yeah. And so it's kind of interesting too when it does a bottom pick, you can swing around and look at the bottom shelves and find products. We can pick everything from, I'd say smallest kind of things are maybe a little bit smaller than this kind of bottle.
Yeah.
The same gripper can grab
Big one.
flat products as well as round products. So you could do both of those. Some of the challenges that we have, just to be completely transparent with you, things that are clear like this.
Yeah.
This can present a challenge to our system to grab. If the suction cup grabs this in the wrong point, it can leak.
Yes.
Vacuum suction can leak. So products like this have to be grabbed from this side.
Okay.
So and transparent things are confuse the sensor. So you want to keep things that are non-transparent as the picking side. This side can be presented to the customer, but the back side would be picked by the
Yes, I see.
So you can see the robot is deciding what to pick.
Which one? Yeah.
Yep. The sensor is here on the robot.
I see. It's like 3D camera
Yes.
with depth
Yes.
sensor. Yeah.
The robot is also very, very fast. We have the fastest piece picking mobile robot in existence. We can do in a mobile scenario like this where we're just picking products after traveling, 300 items an hour. So very fast.
Yeah, indeed. May I ask, is it your own robot hand?
The hand is. The arm comes from an industrial robot company called Fanuc.
Finuk.
Everything else is IM Robotics
Yeah.
technology. We'll show you how the batteries are charged and all that stuff after the demo. In this scenario, we're also putting the items back. This is just for
Demonstration.
demonstration. Yeah. So maybe that's an interesting application for you. You can
Indeed.
have the robot pick and put an item or present it to someone.
Uh,
So it gets different pick lists, and then it just is instructed to go to the location and it's just cycling through the same pick list.
yep. Tom, can the robot put an item to the basket, bring it somewhere, and put to another spot?
Yes, we could. The simplest thing to do would probably not have a basket, just have a conveyor there.
Yeah.
And then we would go over and then just turn on the conveyor and send the product into a bin.
Yeah.
Someone to pick it
To
up.
collect it, like a vending machine solution.
Yes, correct.
Interesting.
How are you guys planning on presenting the products to your customers?
We will have 14 shelves
Yeah.
outside of our glass cube, with products presented there,
Right.
with a screen dedicated with description, with etc. etc. It will like a sample of item, like a smartphone you'll be able to touch.
Like touch.
Absolutely, yep.
And then below it is where the product could possibly come out.
No,
No.
no. We
Okay.
expect to have some pay and collecting point. If you like the product, you will decide to buy, and the machine must dispense it immediately
Okay.
after your payment.
Right. So once payment is processed, the robot will go grab it. Once it grabs the root like that, it'll be at that dispensing
Yeah,
station.
indeed. Where the person will pay.
Then
There is a return workflow which is we looking to get solved because it's a little bit more challenging because it can be unwrapped.
Yeah, returns are.
Hello friends, it just finished a great meeting with the company EiraCube where we spent a few hours to talk to and we've got some agreement to go together, to move ahead, to push our technologies, to collaborate with, and to build our first 3 shops till this Christmas Eve. Hopefully, we will sign an agreement pretty soon, but actually we just signed a memorandum of understanding and we decided, but now we signed some papers to work with together, and I suppose everything will be fine only with your support. And I think we will launch our first 3 shops pretty soon. Completely autonomous retail, fully automated by robots. It's our job and we will do it. It was pretty interesting week. It was very interesting week because we visited a lot of states, a lot of cities. We met a lot of interesting people, pretty engaged and inspired people within an entire crypto world, not only from crypto world, also from some traditional businesses, but they are awesome. And what we found some investments, we found new partners, we found new team members who wish to join to this team, and I think next week we'll announce much more news, because now it's time to do a paperwork with new people, new companies and new opportunities.